President Aquino has named the 9 members of the Human Rights Victims Claims Board. The panel will be headed by Lina Castillo Sarmiento. Elena Luna reports.
President Aquino has appointed the highest female PNP officer who recently retired to lead the Human Rights Claims Board for the victims of martial law. PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma Jr. announced the appointment of former PNP Directorate for Police Community Relations, Lina Castillo Sarmiento, as chairperson of the. Sarmiento is the only police woman who received the 2-star general rank in the history of the PNP. The palace also announced the appointment of 8 members of the board. The chair and members were chosen by the president from a list of nominees submitted by human rights organizations, FLAG or the Free Legal Assistance Group, and Babini or the Movement of Attorneys for Brotherhood, Integrity, and Nationalism.
Yung mandate naman nila ay malinaw. Ang mga hinirang naman po dito ay batay sa kanilang mga kwalifikasyon at competence. Tinaasahan po natin na gagampanan nila ang kanilang tungkulin sa pinakamainam na paraan. Batid natin ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay naganap na lampas na ang 40 taon ang nakararaan. Kaya't nandoon yung pagnanasa ng mga pamilya, ng mga kasangkot sa usaping ito na magawaran naman sila ng katarungan sa lalong madaling panahon.
Republic Act No. 10368 authorizes the board to receive, evaluate, process, and conduct independent proceedings over claims of human rights violation during martial law. The law provides that at least 3 of the board members must be lawyers. A lawyer will head one of 3 divisions which shall function to resolve claims for reparation.
Dahil ang naganap na usapin ay mahigit ng 4 na dekada ang nakararaan at ipinasa ng Kongreso ang batas na ito upang magkaroon ng sistematikong paraan ng pagkamit ng katarungan ng mga pamilya, ng mga inabuso, sinaktan o nasawi dahil sa pagpataw ng batas militar sa ating bansa. Meron po silang sense of urgency sa pagharap sa kanilang mga bagong tungkulin.
Secretary Coloma added the recently recovered 1.3 billion pesos from the Swiss accounts of the Marcoses in a Singapore bank will form part of the reparation. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.